Here's how to book cheap flights on Expedia. First, launch open Expedia app on your device, or you can open up any web browser and go to expedia.com. Log into your account. Here, tap on the flights icon on the main screen. Enter your departure and destination cities. Now open the calendar tool. To save the most money, check the flexible date grid. Shifting your departure or return by just a day or two can dramatically lower your fare, with midweek dates usually being the cheapest. Now tap on search. Then, once the search results load, you want to tap on Sort and Filter button at the bottom of your screen. Under the Sort option, select Price, lowest to highest to instantly push the most budget-friendly tickets at the top of your feed. Additionally, make sure to toggle on the price tagging switch at the top of search page. This allows the app to monitor the route and automatically alert you the exact moment the fare drops. Finally, pick your flight, review the baggage allowance, and follow the prompts to complete your checkout. And that's how you can book cheap flights on Expedia. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.